Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Android supports USB OTG or host mode, because that's how the phone powers and talks to drives. Next, verify the SSD type. SATA needs a USB enclosure, NVMe needs a USB to NVMe adapter, so you match connectors. Once done, pick the right cable, a USB-C OTG cable or USB-C to USB adapter. This ensures physical connection and data/power delivery. These steps prevent power or recognition failures before you connect. You now connect and configure the drive. Plug the SSD into its enclosure or adapter, then connect to your phone with the OTG cable. Make sure the SSD lights indicate power. After connecting, open your file manager or settings storage and grant any USB permissions the phone requests. If the drive uses XFAT or NTFS, Android may mount it automatically. Otherwise, use a USB driver app or third-party file manager. Once mounted, inspect folders. You finish by safely unmounting the SSD through settings or the file app before you unplug to avoid data corruption. If the phone does not recognize the SSD, make sure the cable and adapter support data and power. Try a different app or reformat to a compatible file system, and test on another device. If the SSD needs more power, use a powered USB hub or Y cable to supply additional current. This resolves most spin-up and detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.